Hello, all my lovely audience. How are you? I hope that you must be doing great in your life. And today, guys, I'm going to upload a very short conversational video with Anisha ma'am. And guys, actually, I wanted to have session with her. And before this session, I had also taken session with her. And that time it's been so long, but that time also due to network issue, we couldn't continue our conversation. And today itself, I had also session with her, and after a long time, and this was very short and good conversation. But what happened after a few minutes? Uh, her picture was stuck, and I think due to network issue again. But no problem. I hope that you will enjoy this conversation, this small conversation. And but today, guys, I'm going to upload this conversational video, and I hope that you will enjoy watching this video. So please watch my video till end with Anisha ma'am, and and definitely you are not going to get bored by watching this video. And one thing, guys, actually I desperately wanted to have session with her, and the very first time when I had a session with her, so that time we have talked something out of the box, but due to some problem, due to network issue, we couldn't upload that video because it was quite blur. That's why. So since that day, I had been desperately waiting to have session with her, but today itself, look, again the thing is happened. And after that call, when I tried to get connect with her again, so I faced a quite different problem. And it was like I was not getting my recording option. That's why I was not able to record the session. So I thought, okay, but I I am going to upload the video, no matter that it is short video. And I hope that my audience will enjoy watching my short conversation video. And by watching this video, you will definitely going to improve your English communication skill. So please, guys, watch this video and enjoy. You will definitely learn something from that video.
I'm also same thing. So that's why I stopped having conversation because I was confused and I feel irritated. Talk to
Yes,
people.
ma'am. You
That's
are
why.
right. The same feeling, irritation, I was also having for the few days. And means after having session, sometimes we are not getting recording
That's
video,
okay.
and sometimes we are not getting even recording option. So these all
Yes.
things are quite irritating, just because we are thinking also about to upload the video on our channel. That's why.
Yes, yes. Two time I also faced this thing. I started recording, and then after the disconnect call, I was searching where is record, where is, but I unable to search that record to record. So that's why I stopped recording.
But ma'am, what happens? Sometime our video is just going to team application.
Same
That's why we are
application.
not
Yes.
getting on Skype, and it is showing on team application. But from there, we are not able to upload or get it fixed in gallery. That is the problem.
But one time I got there one call there in the team application, and I'm able to edit and all the thing because I able to save also that record. But after that two time I unable to find there in Skype as well as and on team application also. No way, miss.
Yes,
There was no recording.
yes, ma'am, you are right. And I can also say, like, most of my videos I have also lost in that confusion. And I've sometime I'm searching on Skype, sometime I'm searching on Team, but I'm not finding anywhere. So like this. Okay, ma'am. So let's start the conversation.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So, ma'am, I think we are meeting second time, but that time we had taken session, and we were
Yes.
not able to have the session properly, just because of network
Network.
issue. Yes. So, uh, just let's start with the introduction. I would love to know about yourself first.
So, okay, so now I'm going to introduce myself. So, as you know, I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm homemaker as well as simultaneously YouTuber. And recently, I have started teaching here basic English. And talk about my family. So there are 6 members, including me, my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my 2 children, and my husband. And my hobbies are like piano. I like ride cycle. I like play with kids. And nowadays, new hobbies is connecting to people and learn this language. This is my new hobby, I can say. Yes, this is about me. Thank you.
Wow, that's a lovely introduction of yours, ma'am. So,
Thank
shall I
you.
introduce myself now?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So, first of all, thanks a lot, ma'am, for this lovely opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I'm from Jaunpur, UP. By profession, I'm private school teacher and homemaker, also mother of one kid. If I talk about my qualifications, so I'm holding B.Ed degree, and I'm also running YouTube channel for learning English communication purpose only. So that's little bit about myself.
Okay, great, great. So, before going to ahead, I have lots of questions for you regarding whatever you are wearing. Before I was thinking you are married. Okay, when you connected to me first time, that time also, and I watched your some videos here and there. So I didn't, I think, watch completely that video, so that's why I didn't know. But now when I connect you, so I in my mind there's so many questions pop-upping. So yeah, so many questions are pop-upping. So I want to very eagerly I want to ask you all the time you are wearing this kind of clothes. May what is exactly there is sari or kurta or
It's a
dupatta or
sari.
kurta what?
Ma'am. But I love your question. You are the first person who is asking the genuine
Yes,
question. If you are,
yes.
this is blouse. So this is
Okay.
blouse. You can see, and this is my sari, and this is my pallu. And
Okay.
ma'am, means yesterday itself, I just stitched this blouse, and
Okay.
this blouse in my son's mundan ceremony, my in-laws bua, bua of my husband. So
Yeah.
she just brought this sari to me from
Okay.
Bhopal. She is living in Bhopal. So I loved this sari, and after getting this sari from my bua, I was just super duper excited to prepare this sari as soon as possible and to wear this and to go to school with this by wearing this sari. So yesterday it was Sunday, so I got free time. So I can say, ma'am, the whole entire day I have just invested in stitching this blouse, and so like this I just make a design, simple design, and like this sleeve. So yes, today itself, in my school, all my colleagues, like female colleagues, friend, they just appreciated this sari and blouse a lot. So I got so much happiness. Like yes, they were also asking like, from where did you get this sari? So I said like my bua brought this sari.